Hola, mi dinos. Does anyone know what that means? Oh, hi to you too. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Shapes of Sharky Shark. That's me, Sharky. Dinos, are you sometimes worried about what's going on right now? Well, every time you feel a little alarm inside of you go off, take 5 deep breaths like we practiced last time. Ready? Go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, that's enough. 3 is enough. Let's start our new worksheet. Do you feel better, dinos? Okay, let's go. First, let's write our names. By the way, you're getting excellent at writing your... No, you are excellent at writing your names now, dinos. I'm so proud of all of you guys. Okay, now that we're almost done writing our names, we're going to read the directions. It says, help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Great job. Today's shape is a pentagonal base pyramid. Do you see any shapes I remember? Yep, those are triangles. And this one? Yep, a pentagon. Great job, dinos. Let's see what the shape looks like. First, we're going to need to color all the shapes that you see. First, we are going to color the pentagon in the middle. Since it's in the 2D process right now, doesn't the whole thing look like another shape? You're right. It looks like a star right now. I can't wait to see what it turns out to be. Now that we're done coloring the pentagon, we are going to color all the triangles that are attached to it. Any color you like, dinos. My dinos choose the best colors for their 3D shapes. How do you think of such great colors, dinos? Can you tell me? Oh, nice. You know just what to do, don't you, dinos? Now let's move on to the next triangle. Just remember, we're going to color all the triangles. Now, I chose green for my next triangle. What color did you choose? Ooh, that's such a bright color, Dino. Next one, I'm coloring it orange. Can anyone tell me a fruit that is the color orange? You know that's my favorite question. Did someone say orange? Great job, dinos! Last but not least, the last triangle, which I'm coloring it brown. Great job, dinos! You finished so fast! It must be because we're working together. I love working together with my dinos. We're halfway there now. Let's read the rest of the directions. It says, cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Let's read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. We're going to need a pair of scissors to cut this one out. Make sure to grab a safety scissor, dinos. If not, ask your parents for help, okay? Don't you just love cutting paper? Just the sound of it. Let's listen. You're doing such a great job, dinos. You're almost done. Now concentrate while you're cutting. Now that we're done cutting the shape out, we are going to fold each of those white tabs that you see, okay? Fold it downwards. And take your time, dinos, there's no rush. Now that we folded the tabs down, do you see the lines? We're going to fold all of those down as well. You're doing such a great job. You sure figured it out quick, dinos. Okay, now that we have all the shapes folded, put the flats out of your hand and we're going to pull the triangles up. And remember, we are always folding the tabs underneath the colors. Now grab the next section and we're going to tape it. We're going to repeat the steps until they're all taped down. Remember, the tab goes under the color and we tape. You're doing an amazing job, dinos. We're almost done. Now there's only one left. Imagine it as a lid and we're folding it down. Great job. Grab your tape and tape it down. And we have one more to tape. One more time and you'll have it, dinos. There it is, a pentagonal base pyramid. Did you dinos think it would look like this? Look at all the cool colors. That's my favorite part. But check out what you could do with it. Whoa, check out the pentagonal base pyramid. I love it. I want to spin it. Oh, Sharky's hands are too short. Now I'm going to chomp it. I can't wait to see you next week, dinos. Remember, breathe in and breathe out if you get stressed. Bye, my dinos.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!